Just taking a little bit of video from inside the boat. There's the toilet, as you can see. I'm trying to get the boat between Lion Island and the mainland, so I'm not steering at the moment, so I'm just got to hope that it stays on course. Just a bit. That's the motor there. 8 horsepower Mariner, long shaft. I'll just get the boat lined up. These things up on the mast here, that's what I stand up on when I get up to pull the mainsail up. So I'll just try to duck back inside now. It's all pretty rough here, but it's good enough to survive. That's our window, which is open. This is a double bunk. That's the voltage meter there. This is showing about 13.8 volts at the moment. And we'll just hop into the other side. I'm sort of flying along a bit now. The boat steers a lot better with the jib up and with stuff with the main up. It's a bit hard to control. But, there we go there. So the gap that we're going through down there. Let's have a look in the other hull now. That's the second bunk there. And, just put that new window in there, that's why it's nice and clear. I've got to replace this one here, it's all final RS. This is the freezer, it's not in use at the moment. This is the fridge, so we've got to make sure it's working. Yep, wants to go. Oh, bottle of champagne. A bit of a look up in front. Jib. Barbecue over there. Yeah, we're doing a nice 10-12 knots, let's say. It's starting to go a bit off course, so I'm going to have to go back to the helm shortly. Adjust direction again. Marty's getting very bored. She says she doesn't want to be in any more videos of mine. They're too boring. So without further ado, we'll go back to the boat and back to the helm and get us on course. Starting to get a bit of spray over the front now. Woohoo! Ah yes, we're coming around onto a reach and the boat started to take off. Got plenty of wind at the moment, so got to just watch where I'm steering the thing. Otherwise, yeah, centerboard's down. Little beauty, centerboard. Okay, so could not bore you too much, so I'm going to get off the camera and say goodbye again.